Hi everyone, this is Tunisa again. I just wanna talking about today and what's happening right now in Chinese occupied East Turkestan. Everyone knows half of the world celebrates Qurban Eid since July 31st, but this is not happening to Uyghurs anymore because we can't celebrate, we can't be happy sometimes. Actually, most of the times, because our loved ones and millions of our people, Uyghurs, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, and other Turkic nations in occupied East Turkestan right now, taken to the Chinese concentration camps. Chinese Communist Party arrested almost all of the young Uyghur people in our back country, especially in Hoten, Kashgar, Aksu, Wolja, and other cities. Actually, I am from Hoten, a city in the south where the quota system dictates almost 80% of the Uyghur population arbitrarily taken to the prison like Chinese concentration camps. Uyghurs are taken by the Chinese police from the street, from home, from anywhere they want. Only if Uyghurs are lucky, they will return becoming paralyzed, full of bruising, broken bones, or lost their mind. But most of the time, Uyghur disappears in Chinese police custody. Most terrible thing is poor parents don't have the right to ask where their children are. If they ask, they will send to the Nazi-like concentration camps by the Chinese Communist Party. Since Chinese virus outbreak taken place in East Turkestan, it's very hard time for all the people over there. We have seen a lot of very disturbing videos, shows white-clothed medical staff use weapons on Uyghurs publicly, no food and not allowed to go out for food. Many Uyghurs have died since Chinese virus outbreak because of the starvation, and very heartbreaking situation is right now. Also, every single Uyghur family has been used official barricade tape on their door and welding metal doors and didn't let them go out. They don't want to let them go out to do their farm and to do their stuff, just like prison. There's a clear consequences that if the tape repaired, if they go out, consequences is very clear. Chinese Communist Party will arrest them or other penalties are waiting for those people. Ongoing genocide, brutal oppression happening against Uyghurs is worst oppression to face in the last 100 years. You will not find something as brutal as what's happening to Uyghurs in Chinese occupied East Turkestan right now. Because of the weak response from United Nations and Europe and other nations, international communities showed Chinese Communist Party has a free hand to do this continuously. We must stop this genocide. Never happening again is happening right now. I just want to finish my talking with this strong quote. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. Thank you everyone. If you want, please share this video. People will learn a little bit about what's happening right now in Chinese occupied East Turkestan. Thank you.